I tested 74 leadership attributes. And this is from the findings from the preliminary phase, and the analysis and summary of this research is being published on Harvard Business Review in a few weeks. Of the 74, number one most important attribute is self-organization. My boss gives me a broad guidelines and an end goal, but lets me self-organize to get there. How does that resonate with you? Yes? Somebody who believes in you and go, run with it. I know you can do this. You're going to fly with this. Go run with it. Versus somebody who's micromanaging and constantly watching over your head and shoulders and, well, that's not correct. Avoid, do it this way. Do you get the picture? That's the most number one important attribute.